Old heavy truck tires don't always go to waste. Here's how they're brought back to life. First, a high-speed grinder strips away the worn tread, exposing a smooth, clean surface. This ensures the new rubber will bond perfectly. Next, a layer of strong adhesive is applied evenly around the tire. Then, fresh soft rubber is wrapped on, ready to become the new tread. The tire is placed into a mold where heat and pressure form a sharp, precise pattern. When it's done, the tire looks brand new, ready to hit the road again. Recycling like this saves money and keeps thousands of tires out of landfills.